the sauce. Sabi. Pipino. Pipino. Pipino is next. How much pipino? How much? Okay. Let's put 3 pieces in the burger. Wow. Next. Tomato. We need 3 pieces at least. Wow, it so looks yummy. Next. Sauce. Sauce. It's okay guys, it's royal. Tengok ang tanig, muranting ito. Abang lira babur. Sana daw pa. Ito sa pa. Pak and let's put some rice. Let's put 200 pesos. Amount of 200 pesos.